Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard, Gigabyte motherboard download, driver download. So first we have to come to website gigabyte.com and then click to search button and then enter model number B860M DS3H WIFI6E and then enter. Then click to product. So select this is really 1 and really 1.2 and 1.2. So installations process same. Click to support. Select your operating system Windows 10 11. So select any because both installations process driver installation process same. Bluetooth driver. So this is Intel Bluetooth. Click to download. Then it is done. Bluetooth driver and then open. Double click to exe. Click on yes. Now this is installing. So it is done and then close it.